English-Estonian. B.
olema,
I am, you are. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Let's make Estonian to be easy and fun together. Today your mission is simple. Connect English, B, to Estonian.
olema,
And speak it in real life right away. Keep your shoulders relaxed, grin a little, and if your cat judges your accent, just tell it is fine, or in Estonian.
see on,
Okay. Your forms today. Repeat after me, short, clear, and confident. Mistakes are welcome, progress is guaranteed. B.
olema,
I am.
ma olen,
E.g., I am ready.
ma olen valmis,
Closing parenthesis. You are, singular.
sa oled,
He is.
ta on,
She is.
ta on,
It is.
see on,
We are.
me oleme,
You are, plural, formal.
te olete,
They are.
nad on,
Mini dialogue. Cafe in Tallinn. Jump into a quick scene, listen, smile, and repeat the Estonian parts out loud. A. Hi, I'm Alex.
tere, ma olen Alex,
B. Nice, you are right on time.
väga hea, sa oled täpselt õigel ajal,
A. Is that the barista? He is super friendly.
kas see on barista? ta on väga sõbralik,
B. Yep, and the cake? It is amazing.
jah, ja kuuk, see on imeline,
C. Joining. We are ready to order.
me oleme valmis tellima,
Barista. Welcome. You are all my favorite customers.
tere tulemast, te olete mu lemmikkliendid,
Group whisper. They are hungry.
nad on näljased,
Echo drills. I'll cue you. Echo the Estonian like a rhythm. Keep it snappy. I am at home.
ma olen kodus,
You are kind, singular.
sa oled lahke,
He is happy.
ta on õnnelik,
She is at work.
ta on tööl,
It is cold.
see on külm,
We are friends.
me oleme sõbrad,
You are ready, plural, formal.
te olete valmis,
They are here.
nad on siin,
Culture tip. One little.
ta on,
Here's a tiny trick to sound natural. In Estonian, both he is and she is are.
ta on,
No gender fuss, just clean grammar. Point at a person and confirm with a warm nod.
ta on,
Fantastiline. Your life gets simpler, your compliments get faster. Quiz time. Answer out loud. If you're unsure, guess cheerfully, your brain loves it. 1. What's the base verb, be, in Estonian? Answer.
olema,
2. Translate, it is. Answer.
see on,
3. Say, you are, to one friend. Answer.
sa oled,
4. Say, you are, to a group, formal. Answer.
Te olete.
5. Translate, we are. Answer.
Me oleme.
6. Translate, they are. Answer.
Nad on.
7. He is, she is. Answer.
Ta on.
Speed challenge. Beat me to it. Say the Estonian first, then check your answer. Ready? I am a student.
Ma olen tudeng.
You are my friend, singular.
Sa oled mu sõber.
He is tired.
Ta on väsinud.
She is at home.
Ta on kodus.
It is a good idea.
See on hea mõte.
We are in Tallinn.
Me oleme Tallinnas.
You are amazing, plural, formal.
Te olete suurepärased.
They are on time.
Nad on õigel ajal.
Goodbye and keep going. You did great, seriously. Quick recap. B.
Olema.
I am.
Ma olen.
You are, sing.
Sa oled.
He, she is.
Ta on.
It is.
See on.
We are.
Me oleme.
You are, plural, formal.
Te olete.
They are.
Nad on.
Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share your wins, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and laughs. Until next time.
Me oleme.
UHKED Su Yule.